second.
Very cool. So these are actually real. Like, okay. I can't imagine. I can't imagine. Ready? We got about 10 seconds.
Stand by. Stand by.
All right, time for our Hooked on Science segment. I'm joined by, of course, our science guy, Jason Lindsay, CJ, and Caleb. So what do we have going on today?
You see one big nail kind of hammered into a block of wood, and then we have several nails over here. There's 20 of them total. The question is, how can you get all of these 20 nails to balance onto this one nail right here? Do you have a hypothesis?
I have no earthly idea. That's why I'm really excited about this experiment when I heard about it, because I was like, this is going to be nuts.
And it's pretty cool. Maybe not everyone has giant nails like this lying around the house, but you can get them in your neighborhood somewhere, somehow. But what do you think? Do you think we should balance them like this? What do you think, guys and girls? You have another idea? It's all about the center of gravity. What is the center of gravity? You all remember? It's balancing out on both sides, making sure there's equal balance on both sides. Girls have a specific center of gravity, and so do guys. One's above their belly button, the other's below their belly button. Of course, if you hold that person by that, they're going to balance out on both sides. We're not going to stack them like this at all, by all means.
Okay, that won't work. That won't work.
But what we are going to do is we're going to do this. We're going to take and place one nail down there, and we're going to go back and forth, just like this, back and forth. And then we're going to keep going back and forth until we get to the very, very, very end.
And these are pretty sturdy nails, if you guys can see. They've got some weight to them. If these guys come tumbling down, we might be in trouble.
That's why I put this cloth here, just in case if it did come tumbling down, that we didn't break anything at all. Do you all do this kind of science experiment at home with mom and dad in the living room? No? No?
Maybe not.
That's the goal. The goal is to try to take science beyond the classroom window, try to get you excited about science, and to show you that science just doesn't take place right there in the classroom, that you can do it at home and a little bit of everywhere else. Brianna, how about you? I know you do this science stuff at home all the time, right?
Totally. I still am trying to figure out how this is going to work, Jason. I don't know.
We're going to balance this right in the center.
All right.
Okay, I'm going to have you scoot over just a little bit for me. Get a little closer. I know boys are gross, but you still have to get a little closer to it. Okay, now what I'm going to do is lift this up, hold this down. Okay, now remember, we're on live TV. Sometimes experiments work, sometimes they don't. Okay, there we go. Now here's what I need you to do. I need you to take that one and send it right in the center where that one fell out. Okay, Brianna? Other side, this side, right here. Kind of weave it right underneath there. There you go. Weave it right. Okay.
Okay.
You got it.
Yeah.
Push it up just a little bit. Okay, we got it. We're doing this as a team effort. Put that right in the middle, CJ. This thing right in the middle.
Yeah.
The center of gravity right here. Patient, patient. Science experiments work sometimes, sometimes they don't. Just like that. Hold it really tight for me. Wow. There we go.
Very good. Very good. Now, technically, we've got 19 nails balancing
I
on
think
one.
we can do this. You hold this.
Here goes 20.
Okay, here we go. We're going to try this. It all comes tumbling down. It might happen, it might not.
Great success.
There we go. 20 nails balanced on one.
Very
It's all
good.
about center of gravity, and of course, if one side's thrown off, guess what happens? The whole thing comes tumbling down. We're going to try to put this down here like this, so nothing does break.
Yes.
There we go.
Thank you so much. Another successful Saturday morning experiment. For taking a look at this, check out Hooked on Science on our web channel, WPSTlocal6.com. Trent.
All right, thanks guys. We've got a gorgeous looking Saturday on the way.